Welcome everyone to our channel Mathematics Pathshala. This is a problem of CSIR UGC NET June 2023 Mathematical Science. The question ID is 704064. See here, the question is given here. Define a function f from r to r by fx equal to sin pi by x when x not equal to 0 and 0 when x equal to 0. On which of the following subsets of r the restriction of f is a continuous function? Option 1 is closed interval -1 1. Option 2 is open interval 0 1. Option 3 is singleton 0 union 1 by n belongs to n. And option 4 is 1 by 2 to the power n belongs to n. So see, there is not to find that on which subsets of this f is continuous. We have to find that if we take f on this subset given in option 1 as the, then you have to check as the restriction map of f on this set is continuous or not. So in this way we have to check that the restriction map of f on these four options as the domain f is continuous or not. So first see here that limit x tends to 0 fx equal to limit x tends to 0 sin pi by x is actually here, this is does not exist. So when we take these r the whole real numbers as a domain of f, then it is clear that f is continuous on all points except x equal to 0, and at x equal to 0 f is not continuous. This is clear. So now we have to take option from 1 and we have to check if it is continuous as the restriction map or not, like that. So first see, for option 1 we have taken the domain is -1 1. So let me just write the function f, write the restriction map of the given function on this domain. So this is will be changed as -1 1 to r by fx equal to sin pi by x when x not equal to 0 and 0 when x equal to 0. So the function is actually same. The domain is the proper subset of the given domain. So now clearly x equal to 0 is not the point of continuity of f. So here f is continuous all point at x equal to 0, but at x equal to 0 f is not continuous. So if is not continuous on all the points of this domain, so we can conclude that f is not continuous there. If f is continuous at all the points of this domain, then we can say that f is continuous there. So option 1 is not the correct option because f is not continuous as we take this as a domain. Now see for option 2, when we take this as a domain, open interval 0 1, then the function will become fx equal to simply sin pi by x, because x equal to 0 is not included in the domain. So clearly f is continuous there. F is clearly continuous there because there is no breakdown. So if we take option 2 as the domain, then f is continuous. F is continuous at all the points of this domain, so f is continuous there. So option 2 is the right option, correct option. Now take option 3. The domain we have to take that singleton set 0 union 1 by n belongs to n. Now let me just write the function fx equal to sin pi by x when x not equal to 0, that means x equal to 1 by n, and 0 when x equal to 0, because the function is the restriction map of the given function. So now this is actually becomes fx equal to, when x equal to 1 by n, then this is actually sine n pi. So this is 0 and x equal to 0. So this is fx equal to 0 for all x belongs to this domain. If we take D, this is the domain. So for all x belongs to D. So clearly f is constant function there, and hence this is continuous there. So if we take option 3 as the domain, then f is continuous there because f is constant there. So option 3 is the correct option. Now take option 4. This is this will be exactly similar to option 3 because here domain equal to 1 by 2 to the power n, n belongs to n, and fx will be similar to option 3 sine pi by x when x equal to 1 by 2 to the power n. So then 2 to the power n into pi. So then also fx will be 0 for all x belongs to D. So exactly in similar manner f is constant and hence continuous at all points. So f is continuous there. So here option 2, 3, 4 are the correct option and option 1 is the not the correct option.